Hey everyone, what's going on? So here we have ELEVN Ergo 11S 2.4 GHz silent wireless mouse bought from Amazon. So it only comes in gray color with a kind of a matte finish, and the design is pretty simple, just a bit slimmer than the regular mouse. So at the top we have the right click button, the left click button, the scroll wheel and a scroll wheel button as well. And as the name suggests, it is pretty silent, but if you're in a pin drop silent mode, you'll feel that kind of a rubbery click sound, of course. And it weighs around 64 grams with the battery included around 170 grams. And if we look at the bottom we have the non-slippery mat, the CPI button. It comes with 3 CPI settings and the power button. So I don't see any screws or flaps at the bottom, so it means it opens from the top. Let's see here. Yes, it opens from here. So this is pretty convenient actually. The battery compartment is hidden and it opens really easily. So as you can see here, there are these screws that kind of sticks right onto these magnets, and then there are these 2 locks to keep it from falling off. So this is a pretty great design. And this might feel a bit heavy, 170 grams, but the build quality is pretty good, I'd say. So this is the USB nano receiver that you can plug into your PC or laptop, and it supports almost every laptops and desktops as long as it has a USB port, of course. So there's one good thing that the battery is included, because in most of the battery operated products it's always a catch that the battery is not included, but here you get this Energizer Max 1.5 volt AA alkaline battery, so nothing much here. So this is the USB receiver compartment, and let's see, oh, this is surprising. So this also has a kind of a magnet inside it, so the USB receiver kind of just sticks to its compartment. That's pretty great. Okay, turns on just fine. So its ergonomic design is pretty ergonomic. I mean, it feels really comfortable in hand, and it's as silent as it claims to be. And now the moment of truth. Let's see how it works. So I'm just gonna plug it in and then power it on. And it's connected, that's pretty good. So it's just plug and play, no need to update any drivers or anything. That's really good. Seems to be working fine. So as I mentioned earlier, that it comes with 3 CPI settings, which is 800, 1200 and 1600. So just one click for 800, and then another click for 1200 and another click for 1600. So if you're just a regular user like school work and office work, you can use it at 800 CPIs. But if you're a bit heavy user like Photoshop or anything like that, you can use it at 1200. And if you are a designer like 3D modeling and Illustrator stuff, so you can use it at 1600 CPIs. So I'm just gonna quickly change the size of this cursor. I hope it's visible to you now. And now, as this is a designer's mouse, let's see how it works on a 3D software. Okay, so this is really smooth and it's pretty impressive. I'm only running it at 800 CPI and it's running really smooth. I feel no lags. And if you guys are wondering what's this software, this is called Blender. It's a 3D modeling and sculpting software, and you can make 3D models with this software. I'm also starting a tutorial on this software as well, and I've also made this iPhone 13 concept that you can watch here. I must say this is pretty impressive. I really like it, and it's ideal for designers, and not only designers but for every professionals, and the CPI settings that you can change as per your needs is pretty convenient. And now I'm using it at a 5-meter distance and it works just fine. So it's silent, it's comfortable, it looks good, it works smooth, but is it pocket friendly? Well, you can get this mouse at around $849, and if you're lucky you can get it in a lightning deal for around $799. And I'd say this is the best that you can get at this price. So if you want to check out this product, you can do so by clicking on the link in the description. So this is it for today's video. I'll see you in my next video, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.